Welcome to Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia 101.1. Okay, good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How are you tonight? Oh, yes. Okay, but this year, mic, please. Okay, mic on, please. How are you doing?
I'm great.
Oh,
Like you know, guys,
Uh-huh.
I just did a staycation with my family.
yes.
We have a very great time.
Mm-hmm.
No cell phone, no.
Tonight we are very colorful.
Yep.
You know, yes. As usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program with BPEC and Smart FM, namely Smart Up Your Life, talking discussion with BPEC, of course. And talking about our topic tonight, before we talking about the topic, most people's, not most, but how people's in the world, sometimes they want to be better by improve their self. They did evaluation, they did self-contemplation, introspection, self-analysis, and so on. So that's why if they did like that, they can improve. And in other words, we call this case or this phenomenon is self-reflection. That's why our topic tonight is self-reflection. Okay, but anyway, before I'm going to talking about self-reflection, maybe one of you guys can introducing what is BPC itself. Maybe from Samantha. Okay, start from you.
Okay. Thank you very much. I am Samantha
Mm-hmm.
as the committee, one of the committee on BPEC. So BPEC is one of the largest and also the oldest
Mhm.
organization that BPEC stand of Benteng Panynyua English Club,
Yeah.
which is we provide places, good places for anyone who want to learn English.
Mm-hmm.
So what kind of activity we have in BPEC? We have like ice breaking
Mhm.
for the weekly meeting,
Yes.
ice breaking, and also the discussion.
Mhm.
So we bring up like a certain topic,
Mm-hmm.
a certain topic we talk about, and also there are like debate
Mhm.
session. So we give our thoughts, argument
Mm-hmm.
about the motion that has been given.
Mhm.
And also there are like a fun thing, for example, like entertainment,
Yeah.
which is the participants allows to like sing, dancing, and
Oh.
show their
Wow.
ability
Yeah.
in front of the participants, other participants. And
Oh.
also, and the last one is the announcement.
Mm-hmm.
So in this session, we can like share about the beasiswa. How to say?
Scholarship.
Yes, a scholarship, and also the information. There's an information that we can share to the participants.
Yeah.
I think that's all.
Okay, great explanation. Okay, what about you? Who are you? Could you introduce yourself to smart listeners?
Hello, smart listener.
Yeah.
I'm Muhammad Isrulabin, and you guys can call me Yusril.
Mhm.
And right now, I'm a student of State Islamic University of Makassar.
Okay.
Okay.
I have a question. How if the people outside want to join with BPC? What is the procedure?
Oh, actually, it's very easy because there is no certain procedure that
Uh-huh.
you have to fulfill if you want to join in our
Mhm.
community. You just come into the Fort Rotterdam and join us in the office and the meeting, and it's free of charge. And
Okay.
every single age and
Wow.
every single background knowledge.
Mhm.
And even you are still in a elementary school, junior
Mhm.
high school, or even you already in a marriage, for example. Yeah, and it's free of charge.
Okay, thank you, Yusril. Okay, in the corner. Oh my God, who are you?
Hi.
Hi.
I'm pretty good today.
What is your name?
Okay, my name is Andi Adelia Nabila. You can call me Adele.
Mm-hmm. And
Just that from me.
okay, thank you. Welcome back, Adele.
Okay.
Okay. As I might promise that our topic tonight is self-reflection. I start from Yusri. How do you opinion about these words? Two words. Self and reflection.
Okay, self-reflection. As I know, self-reflection is a term that describes people who try to evaluate themselves about what they already done in the past experience, and then they want to improve themselves, even in skill, or even in a character, or how to say it, personality. So they want to be better than before. So that can be categorized as a self-reflection.
Great point. What about you, Samantha? Do you have a same perception with Yusril?
It's not too far away from just used to say that for me self-reflection is when we take a step back to think about and also to meditate and to evaluate evaluate our
like
self.
Okay.
To do the meditation, yes.
Okay.
To do meditation for the behavioral and also the attitude, and for our work ethic and all the things that we have been did or we have been do in our life, that we need to take a step back to look at back the picture if we want to like improve ourselves, and also to see the things in a different like point of view.
Okay.
Not just in the pieces puzzle.
Nice points. Okay, what about you, Miss Colorfuls? What is your point of view about these two words?
Self-reflection is remind me with Christina Aguilera songs.
Wow.
Who is that girl?
Oh my God. Could I clap my hand? Okay, continue.
That's one of my favorite song actually. And yeah, self-reflection for me is like when I see in the mirror myself that I'm so, how to say, I'm not arrogant, but I'm so proud of myself that day by day, year to year, and every single minute, everything that happened in my life, and yeah, I could be accept myself that this is my identity. Or the next day, maybe one times Jasmine like watching at me like today. I'm about ready to come to this radio, and then Jasmine wonder like, Bunda, do you want to go to radio? Yes. What's going on, honey? Then she said that you look so fabulous. I'm pretty sure that you are still the most bright, the most shining and bright in the middle of your friends.
Wow.
So that's like, okay.
Shining, simmering, splendid.
Yeah, shining, simmering, splendid. That's one of my self-reflection, because I get positive vibes from my family, especially my children and my husband.
Okay.
So that's it.
Wow. Good. Okay, what about you, Adele? You're very fresh tonight. Nice
Thank
to
you.
meet you. Welcome back.
Nice to see you.
What is your, do you have a same perception with our friends tonight about self-reflection?
Okay, for me, self-reflection like problem solving, the best problem
Oh.
solving. Yes. And then this is a best way to, when I get bored and when a lot of activity. So I will come back to self-reflection myself.
Okay.
And it's happy way to evaluate myself after a lot of activity I can do.
So it means that you review yourself in your
Yes.
past time.
Yes.
Maybe a few months ago, you review, and
Yes.
right now you can, how to say, be a new
Yeah.
girl, something like that, right?
Yes, and our brain for analyzing what's on your mind. So from this is think about thinking, or in psychology you can mention it like metacognition.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, same to
It's very
self-awareness.
scientific.
Yeah, think about thinking.
Okay, but keep your statement. We'll be right back after this.